Hey, today we're gonna make what I call the Steve Andrews marinade. So this is a marinade that a buddy taught me a long time ago when we worked together in San Francisco. Real quick, we're gonna go sliced onion. I have just about 10, 12 garlic cloves that I smacked with the side of my knife in. These are a bunch of thyme sprigs, and just some parsley stems. This is just what I had. You can use basil stems, thyme, parsley. Then I have just a pinch of chili flake in here. This is just enough to give me that nice chili flavor without providing too much heat to the dish. Next, we're gonna go a decent amount of balsamic vinegar right in, and olive oil, maybe in between 1/4 cup. Boom. I'm gonna use some beef, but you can use this with chicken, any kind of beef here. And I'm gonna show you, but I'm really massaging this stuff with my hands, and I'm getting all these ingredients incorporated in. And I'm kinda gonna use all of these marinade ingredients as a mop almost. So we're gonna set them to one side, place our meat right down in here. Piece number 2, kind of form like a nice little nest of all of these ingredients in here. Let this sit at least for a few hours. Overnight is best. And if you're gonna do it overnight, go in, rotate the meat around, kind of nestle it back together. We have our marinated meat. There it is, the Steve Andrews marinade.